Okay, today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Accord SE. Alright, it's got 87,000 miles on it. It's taffeta white in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Get the nice chrome trim around the windows. Everything's in good shape here on the driver's side. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side here. Alright, everything's in really good shape here as well. Alright, one place I want to point out to you right here on the hood is just a small little paint chip right here. Okay, that's to be expected. It's a 2012. It's got 87,000 miles on it. They got it marked down to $10,800. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the beige or ivory leather seating. It's a power driver seat. Driver seat's in good shape. Got the center armrest comes up. Got your power outlet, auxiliary, and USB ports in there. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay. Passenger seat leather looks good. Alright, no problems there. Got your cup holders here. It is an automatic. Got your heated seats right there behind it. AM, FM, CD player. Your climate controls right here. Gonna have your radio display right here. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio right here. Alright, let's go and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 87,647 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display here. Okay. Once again, your climate control area. And then your heated seats on both sides. Alright, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back seat, and then we'll take a look at your trunk space. Alright, door panels right here look good. Carpet back here is nice and clean, no stains. Back seat leather also looks really good. And I don't know what this is, maybe just a little piece of wrapper or something. There's nothing wrong with the leather though, it's in really good shape. The center console that comes down, got your cup holders there. Also has access to the trunk through there. Okay, and then on this seat right here has a small indentation in the back of the seat. Maybe there was a car seat right there or something. But overall, the interior in this vehicle is well taken care of. Alright, there's your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay. But yes, got 2012, 87,000 miles. Interior's in great shape. Let's take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here is nice and clean. All right, you can see the access door right there to the back seats. Plenty of room back here. Got your jack and your spare tire back here. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. It does have alloys. Let's see, we got 16-inch alloys. All right, kind of a smoky gray alloy. They're well taken care of. Brand new set of tires. You can see how deep that tread is. All right, once again, it's a 2012. It's got 87,000 miles on it. It's been marked down to $10,800. It's got a clean Carfax. This thing's in really good shape for a 2012, 87,000 miles. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.